everyone, my name is Siddhi Jaiswal of Standard 8th day of Dalim Samim School, Rohnia, and I am going to make very simple and tasty sweet dish, bread dahi bada. So friend, for making this bread dahi bada, we need bread, dahi 200 grams, sugar 4 teaspoon, black salt, roasted cumin powder, ginger, coriander leaves, and green chili. Let's start it. First of all, we need dahi and sugar. With the help of mixer, we have to mix it just like lassi. After that, it is look just like this. Now we will take bread and we will cut in circle shape. It is optional, you can cut like anyway. The nutrition value of bread is energy 239 calorie and protein 6.36 gram, carbohydrate 52 gram, etc. Now we will take a bowl. First of all, we will take a piece of bread and dip of mixture of curd and sugar and place it in the bowl. Now we will take a roasted. We will sprinkle roasted cumin powder and black powder, salt, and ginger, coriander leaf. And now we will take another slice of bread and dip in curd. Then we will place it in this. Then now we will pour curd on this. And we will take yellow color for garnishing. It is optional. And one piece of coriander leaf.